Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to OKX. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to do is open up your PayPal and then transfer your PayPal money to your bank account. So for doing that, all you need to do is just click on this wallet icon from the bottom of your screen. And after that, you need to click on this add banks and cards option. Then this will show you two options. First is banks and debit and credit cards. So you have to select this banks option. Now from this list of banks you have to select your bank account and then enter your bank details, and your bank will be connected to your PayPal. After your bank has been linked, all you need to do is transfer your PayPal money to your bank account. For doing that, all you need to do is just click on this balance, PayPal balance that is showing right here. Just click on it. Then it will take you to this screen where you can see the available balance in your PayPal. Now simply click on this transfer button from the bottom of the screen. Then it will give you two options, transfer money and get cash. So you have to click on this transfer money option. After doing that, you need to select a transfer speed. So if you want to get money faster, you can choose this faster speed option. But keep in mind that this will cost you 25 cents as a fee. But if you can wait, you can select the second option, which will take 1 to 3 business days. Now in the two option you have to select the bank account that you have linked earlier in PayPal. If it doesn't automatically select, you can click on this change button and select it manually here. After that, all you need to do is click on this transfer button from the bottom of the screen, and as soon as you click on it, your money will be transferred from your PayPal to bank account. Now once your money has been transferred to your bank account, you need to open up your OKX wallet. Then you need to click on this menu option from the top of your screen. So just click on it. Now it will show you many options. So from you have to click on this deposit button. Then you have to select this last option, deposit AED or the crypto or the currency of your country. So this will show the name of your currency. If you are living in the United Arab Emirates, it will show you EAD, or if you are living in the America, this will show you USD. So just click on it, what is showing right here. Now you have to choose a deposit method. So you have to choose the bank transfer as a deposit method. So just select it and then click on this add account button. Then this will show you this screen. So from here simply click on this OK button. Now on the screen, enter your account details such as your account holder name, IBAN number, and then click on this add account button. And once you do that, this will show you this screen where you need to verify your account. So just click on this deposit button. Now you have to make a deposit. Now you have to make a deposit from your banking app or the banking website using this information. So you just have to copy this all of these informations such as beneficiary's name, IBAN number, Swift BIC code. So just copy all of these details and then you need to transfer money from your bank account using your online banking or the banking app. Now once you complete a transfer, this will show you this screen. So from here you can simply see that we have deposited the 500 AED, and then you can use that money to purchase the crypto in OKX. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.